How much carpet is ordered? Only 4 square yards. Alright, only 4 square yards was ordered. So which is larger? 4 square yards. Okay, that's all ordered, or 13 1/3 square yard. This is right, this is larger. So do we have enough carpet? This is all we ordered, alright, and we need this much. So do we have enough carpet? Yes or no? We don't have enough carpet. Alright? We don't have enough carpet. So the answer is no. So alright, so take a look at the question. If x equals -5, okay, and y equals 2x square, then find y, okay. So it is given that y equals 2x square. But we already know what x is, right? We know x is -5, right? X is -5. So this would become, equation will become y equals 2 times, x is -5, right? 2 times -5 square, correct? X square, which is equal to 2 times -5 square is what? -5 times -5, right? -5 times -5 equals 25, correct? So that become 2 times 25, correct? So 2 times 25 is 50. So y equals 50. Here, one thing you want to pay attention is that when you evaluate this, okay, 2x square, okay, take a look. When you evaluate 2x square, okay, you want to find out x square first. This is what you want to do first. You want to find out x square first, then multiply the result of x square with 2. Okay, pay attention there. Okay, pay attention. So here you have to round this 12.5 bar to the nearest 10. What is this number basically? This really means 12.555 and it goes on forever. Okay, so in here, what's the, what's the tens place and ones place? Okay, so this is ones place. Okay, this is ones. Okay, this is tens. Okay, this is tens, and this is tenth.
100,000.
Yeah, or this is tenth, this is tenth, this is hundredth, okay, this is thousand, okay, this is ones, this is tens, this is 10, okay, 10. So how do you round it to the nearest tenth place? Oh, sorry, 10th place. So this is the 10th place. 10. Right? Is that the question? Nearest 10.
Wait,
10.
wait, let me check. Okay.
Okay.
Now, look at the number to the left.
No, to the right. Yeah.
To the right.
Right.
If it's 5 or more, this increases. So it's 12.6.
Absolutely. 12.6. That's it.
Oh.
All you need is 12.6. Okay?
Why am I so stupid?
Yeah, 12.6.
So you agree I'm stupid?
Exactly.
You agree I'm stupid?
No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that you look at the number. This is the first step is to identify what's the tens place, okay? And that's this, okay? And the next step is to look at the number right to the right, number to the right, which is this number. And then if this is 5 or more, this will become 12.6. Okay?
Wait a minute, but there isn't any other 5s in the problem.
So
Did you look at the problem?
answer.
There are not even that.
Hmm?
There's only one 5 in the problem.
So it says 5 bar. Look at the question.
Oh.
It's 5 bar. So that means 12.55555. It goes on forever. So in the next question, you have to find the relationship, whether this is equal to or less than or greater than. Okay. So what is this number? Let's find out what is this. Okay. So you have to convert this into this form. Okay, let's find out what that number is. Okay, so what 2 to the power minus 3 is 1 divided by 2 to the power 3. Okay, so that is 1 divided by 2 times 2 times 2, which is 1 divided by 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8. So this is, what is it, 1/8. You have to find out this relationship. Okay, is 1/8. So what is it? It's equal, right? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's the answer. It's equal. Okay, take a look at the first one. Alright? Example, I think example 1, the one that you see at the top of the page. Okay, so that was example 3, okay, the one that you saw at the top of the page. Alright, okay, I'm going to write it down on the board. Okay, let's find out if they have a linear relationship. Okay, to find out, you know, alright, so what's the change here? Plus 6, right? Minus 4 plus 6 is 2. And what's the change here? 3, right? Plus 3. What's the change here? Plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what's the change here? That is...
Minus 3, minus 6.
No, this is plus 9 to minus 3. That's huge change.
Hold on.
Minus 12, right?
Minus 12 and then plus negative 6
Negative 6, yes.
and hold on.
Right?
Wait, yes, minus 8.
Is it linear?
No,
Okay, it's not. Because hold on.
it's inconsistent.
Yeah, so the change is different. So it's not linear. Okay? I think this is linear. Do they have a constant rate of change?
No.
Y by x.
Yes.
Look at this.
This
Okay?
y by 6.
Look at this.
12 divided by 6 is 2.
Yeah, 12 divided by
6
6.
divided by 3 is 2.
Minus 12 divided by 6, that is minus 2, right? Again.
Negative 6 divided by
Negative 6 divided by 3 is
2.
negative 2. Okay?
Negative 17 wait, negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. So it is.
So it is linear, right? So they have a constant rate of change, right? They have a constant rate of change. Look at this. This number is minus or negative 2. So they have a constant rate of change. So, which means that the relationship is linear. Okay? Right? The relationship is linear. So, okay, the examples in the text is simple, okay? So really, in order to find the constant rate of change, you have to divide this by this for each